All right guys, Chef Garces here. Welcome to another Essential. As a Latin American chef, I gotta tell you, there may not be a more essential staple in my pantry than sofrito. I'll make a huge batch of it, put it into small containers and freeze it. Let's get to cooking, guys. This is about a quart of oil. I'm gonna start with about half this oil. Large white onions, some jalapenos, chopped garlic, raw, some tomatoes as well, and quite a bit of peppers. These are sweet peppers. I happen to have green today, so I'm gonna use those. Start with the onions, get them in there, the jalapeno in there, garlic, tomato, and of course, all these peppers. Boom. I'm gonna add the rest of my oil in here. Yeah, and we're just gonna let that go anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. We'll come back to it, guys. Okay, so our sofrito's been cooking for about 30 minutes. I started at medium heat, then gradually dropped it down. You can see the onions, the garlic, they're nice and translucent. All that flavor has come out of there. And all I'm gonna do simply is just, blend it away. Probably 2 or 3 sets of blended batches. Let my mixture cool all the way down. And once it's cool, you can just pop them right in the freezer. And then anytime you have soup, sauce, really anything you want to add a little flavor to, here you go. Here is your flavor secret. Buen provecho, salud. See you next time.